大家好, welcome to my channel. The very first lesson of every Chinese textbook teaches you 你好, which is hello. But this is not how Chinese people greet each other. While 你好 can be used in a couple of situations, and watch this video to the end to see what they are, let's learn some really authentic ways of greeting. If you're greeting a friend, the easiest way is to use an interjection. Just say hi or hey or a.
Hi.
嘿，老同学。
Hi.
Another great option is to use 你去哪儿啊？干嘛去呀？
你去哪里呀？
gànmá.
住手！干嘛呢？
哎，嘛去？
Don't think of it as too intruding or too personal. It's just a friendly way of greeting, and it shows that you know a person well and you care about them. You don't have to lay out all your plans for the afternoon, so just say the easiest, like 去超市啊，去上班呀，见朋友去啊。To greet a teacher or a boss, you want to use their last name and their profession. To a teacher whose last name is Wáng, you can say 王老师好. To greet a boss in the morning, you can say 王总好，王总早。
老师好。
领导好，王总好。
And the most culture-saturated way of greeting in Chinese, which I love, I think it can only exist in the Chinese culture, is to ask, have you eaten? 你吃了吗？吃饭了没？
Hello， 吃早饭了吗？
哟，嘛的？吃了吗您？
Don't be afraid to answer not yet, 还没, and don't think they're actually asking you out for lunch. They're not. It's just a greeting. So if you say 还没, most likely you're gonna hear 那你快去吃吧. Go quickly, go eat.
你吃了吗？没吃快吃吧。
Now, what about 你好? It can be used to greet a person you don't know. You don't know their name, their job. You meet them for the first time and you say 你好. Or you use 你好 when you want to address a person in a street or in a public place and ask a question. For example, 你好，地铁站怎么走? Excuse me, where is the subway station? 你好，收银台在哪儿? Excuse me, where is the cashier?
喂，你好。
喂，你好。
你好，请问点什么呢？
你好，请问这里的 WiFi 密码是多少？
你好，请问这个多少钱？
你好，你好，什么事？请问一下啊，人民医院怎么去啊？
That was it from me, guys. Please thumbs up if you learned something new today. If not, subscribe to this channel. I will be looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.